Hey everyone, it's Monday, December 14th. Today we are going to start your last unit for this semester. Your last unit for this semester is a research project. So for this project, you will be writing a paper and presenting a speech. To look at all of the details of this assignment, click right here on this and read through this assignment sheet. Basically, throughout this semester, we've been looking at issues that directly impact teenagers and how society treats teenagers and maybe doesn't always listen to them. Now, for this project, you're going to be looking at how teenagers use their voices and did things to directly impact the world. So you're going to be researching a young person who made a difference or a group made of young people. And then you are going to inform the rest of your class about this person by writing a paper and by presenting a speech. So your list of people is right here, and your requirements are listed down here. The paper is worth 100 points, and the speech is worth 100 points. So make sure that you read through that so that you can see all of the requirements for you. Today what you're going to do is look through the list and you need to pick a person to research. Only 2 people will be able to research the same person per class. So I've created this choice form for you. As soon as 2 people are taken, like you'll pick from here. As soon as 2 people are taken, that person will disappear from the list. So make sure that you choose early so that you can get your choice so that you don't have to scramble to find a different person that maybe you didn't want to research as much. So that's your job for today. Tomorrow, we're going to start looking at research tips so that you guys can get started researching as soon as possible. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great day.